always like blue color.
Okay, all boys likes blue color.
I think 60% boys like blue color
How do you say that?
because my friends
Okay, in your friends circle, all friends like blue color. That's why you're saying that now.
but this is a theory
This is a theory. How would you say?
because firstly, if someone says what is our beautiful color, our mind firstly says it's blue.
But my favorite color is purple. Do you usually wear clothes in your favorite color?
No, I
Then what is the benefit of your favorite color?
I like I like I like to wear a black but not blue because
You mean to say your favorite color is blue, but you don't like to wear any kind of dress in blue color rather than black? Okay. Are there any colors that have a special meaning in your country? Yes, there are three colors.
yes, there are three colors in our country. First is orange, and second is white, and third is green.
Okay. May you explain about the meaning of these colors?
First color is orange color. That's the meaning of
That is stand for, you can say. That is
that
stand
is
for.
that is the stand for our soldiers.
That is stand for sacrifice.
That stand for sacrifice, and second one is white. That is stand for is silence.
Peace. That is the representative of peace.
Peace, and the third one is green. Uh,
That means greenery.
that means green.
Do you think different type of people like different colors?
I think yes, different people like their own colors.
They have different choices. That's why. When you feel bored.
First alone, I feel bored.
Okay, when you are alone, then you feel bored. You know, some people like to live alone. They feel happy when they were alone.
I'm not that kind of.
I'm not such type of person. Okay, why they like to live in alone?
I think it's their mindset because see they see that thing on social media.
No, there are so many people that who are still not using social media but live alone. They like to live.
I doesn't know about that.
I don't know about that. But you feel when you are alone, bored. Okay. What do you do when you feel bored?
I I was listening to songs
I like to listen songs. Which type of song that you like to listen?
and I like to listen to Hindi songs.
Hindi songs. May you sing any songs this time?
I think it's an Indian song. Its name is uh, Barish Barish. Or
Do you think childhood is boring or adulthood is boring?
can you repeat the question?
Do you think childhood is boring or adulthood is boring?
I think adulthood is boring
How?
because adults going on a work and children were playing full of the day.
Okay, you mean to say adults had to do work and children had no any responsibilities.